Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So I'm here to share with you how I make this shampoo. It is a sulfate free and an anti-dandruff shampoo. So the ingredients I'm using for this are first of all I'm using glycerin, and then my Ambunu extract. I also have my neem extract, which is good for dandruff control, my salicyclic acid, another active ingredient for dandruff. Then I have my citric acid to adjust the pH, and my preservative. Now for the surfactant, the first one I'm using is Coco glucoside, which is a mild cleansing surfactant. I also have here my oil extracts, like mixed oils, and then another surfactant here is cocoa bentaine. Then my fragrance, which is really optional, and then my thickener. This is a Crothix thickener. The ingredients I'm using actually are in the description, so you can check them out. So I usually measure about 45% of the water, yes, and then I go ahead to add my glycerin. So the glycerin too, I used 5% just of the total formulation to achieve this. Now the next ingredient I'm using here is my Ambunu extracts, and these are added to the water phase, or the water phase. And this Ambunu extract is also for moisturizing properties. So after this, I go ahead to add to mix everything up, just to make sure that the Ambunu is mixed up in the water. And then after this, I go ahead to also add my neem extract. So all these are water soluble, so I'm adding it to the first phase. So this is the phase A actually of the shampoo formulation process. Now the next thing I add is also the salicyclic acid. This is an exfoliant that helps to remove dandruff and also treat dandruff. So I add just a little, about 2% of the salicylic acid to the whole ingredient, and you have to make sure that you get it to mix up before you add the other ingredient. So this is my first phase, and that is done, and this is what I have for it. Now I'm also adding just a little amount of my citric acid. You can add it to the final phase. I'm adding just 1%, and I think that should be cool. So I also add my preservative at this stage. Some people prefer to add this at the final, state of the shampoo, but I add it to my first phase, and this should be fine because it's all water soluble. And after this, I just mix everything up. Then my phase A is set. Now for phase B, I'm adding my cocoa glucoside. This is a mild surfactant, and it is great. It's one of the major ingredients used in natural hair shampoos. And I'm adding 18% of the cocoa glucoside. Then I'm mixing it with my oil, which is my Herbal oil extract. I'm adding just about 4% of the oil to it. This is a mixture of great herbs that will help provide great benefits for my hair. So this is actually for my second phase, and set that aside to my third phase. My third phase is just adding my cocoa bentaine. Cocoa bentaine is my secondary surfactant. It is also another great one, and it helps to boost foam in the mixture. So after this, I go ahead to mix my phase D ingredients. These are my fragrance. It is essentially optional if you don't want to add fragrance to your shampoo. Now after this, I just mix, or I just add all the other faces to it. So this is my phase B that I am adding to the phase A. So I'm adding my cocoa glucoside mixture to the phase A. I just want to make sure that everything there is in the mixture. So after this, I also add my phase C, which is the cocoa bentaine, into the mixture. So this is what I have. Now this is a very simple thing to do. All you need to do is to get the formulation and then you are good to go. So what I'm adding here is my fragrance, and that is a vanilla fragrance, just to like make my shampoo smell like really nice. So after mixing everything up, like the shampoo is ready to be used, but I really don't like runny shampoos. No, not at all. So I'm adding my thickener, and here I'm adding my Crothix. Now the Crothix I'm adding just about 2%. Now with Crothix, you have to add it till you see that your mixture has taken up, but then you have to do it in smaller amounts so that you don't end up like getting a very very thick mixture that you will not be able to like, deal with. So I'm just adding it in bits, and this is what I have. It looks a little bit thickened up, but I'm still adding quite more of the Crothix to be able to get it to be thicker to the consistency that I like. Now in place of Crothix, you can use xanthan gum. So this is what I have, guys. You can see this has really thickened up, and I really like how it came out. This is it. It is really really thickened up. And this is my shampoo. This is my anti-dandruff shampoo. Very very great. So what I'm gonna do is just to transfer it into my little container, and then this is what I have. It is a very 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 great like shampoo, and it is actually a clarifying shampoo which clarifies and also removes all the dandruff from your hair. Now just to show you how the shampoo is on my hair, I'm going to be sharing a video of me using my anti-dandruff products going forward. So just be coming back to this channel. If you haven't hit on the notification button, please do that so that you're notified whenever I upload my new video. So this is the shampoo on my hair. You can see it lathers pretty well, and it is also very very great. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one, and until then, do stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.